Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Corona. I am traveling today from Albuquerque to Dallas on an airplane, so our math problem today will include distance, rate, and time. Here we are, checking in, walking to our gate. We have to go through security. So we made it through security. Now we're just walking through the airport. So you can see all the gates where the airplanes are. So hopefully we'll get to our gate. I'll get to show you our airplane. Boys and girls, as you can see, it's still dark here in Albuquerque at the airport. But there is the plane I'll be flying on and we'll be using to find our distance, rate, and time for our math problem for today. So here's the inside of the plane.
Go and to get people get loud at the games, but this year it has been like pandemonium.
Yeah.
So here we are sitting on our plane. You can see the other airplane that's next to us. It's so dark, you guys really can't see much of the airport. So dark. So here we are in the plane. We're getting ready to take off and get to Dallas to see the big game tomorrow.
No, we didn't get along. No, it wasn't bad.
Of course, it's just like more languages, but there are.
So it's just your family or?
No, it's just us. Just us. In there, but we have bigger than 7 days. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But you know what? It's actually more.
Going home, I guess they kind of put out there.
But yeah.
Yeah, what I did was rent this little room, all the bar, went there, and then nuggets. Like took 4 nice, and then we stayed at a place for free breakfast. Yeah.
Okay, so now we are airborne, so I will be back when I am in Dallas. Here we are, you can see the clouds below us. Good morning, boys and girls. Here is your math problem for today. Mrs. Cronin knows that the formula for time is equal to the distance divided by the rate. During her trip to Dallas, she traveled a total of 570 miles. The plane traveled at a rate or speed of 380 miles per hour. Using the formula, calculate how long it took Mrs. Corona to get from Albuquerque, New Mexico to Dallas, Texas. Okay, using the formula. Okay, teachers, you can pause the video and let the students solve their problem. Okay, boys and girls, now that you've had time to solve your problem, let's check your answer. Okay, I'm going to go back to my problem and underline the important information I need. I need to know that I traveled a total of 570 miles. I also need to know the rate or speed that the airplane traveled. And and that traveled at a rate of 380 miles per hour. So using the formula for time, distance divided by rate, I will plug in the numbers I just underlined and solve my problem. My distance was a total of 570 miles divided by the rate or speed, which was 380 miles. When I divide those, I should get how long it took me to get from Albuquerque to Dallas. So I'm going to set up my division problem. 570 is my dividend, divided by 380, which is my divisor. 380 can go into 570 one time. I'm going to subtract my 380 from 570. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 8 I cannot do, so I'm going to go next door and borrow from my 5. Make that a 4. My 7 becomes a 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. I know that I'm not done here. I'm going to add a decimal and a 0. When I add a decimal, I raise it to the roof and I bring down my 0. 380 can go into 19 5 times. 5 times 380 is 1900. I have 0 left over. So it took me 1.5 hours to travel from Albuquerque to Dallas. Well, I know that there are 60 minutes and 1 hour. So if I traveled 0.5 hours, I know that half of 60 is 30 minutes. So I traveled 1 hour and 30 minutes in the airplane from Albuquerque to Dallas. If I were to have drove from Albuquerque to Dallas, it would have taken me about 11 to 12 hours. Much quicker on an airplane. So I hope you solve this problem correctly, and I really hope you enjoy when I share my adventures and my traveling with you. I really enjoy sharing what I'm doing because I want you to see that we use math in so many areas in our everyday lives. Have a happy Wednesday.
Boys and girls, we made it to Dallas. We're here at the stadium having what they call rally days, just activities on the field, games. You can take pictures with cheerleaders. All of that is going on right now. Huge stadium, and the Jumbotron is above me and it's ginormous. I don't think ginormous is a word, but it's huge.
Please rise for the national anthem. Presenting today's colors are members of the 1st Cavalry Division Honor Guard from Fort Hood, Texas.